Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to remove formulas in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet, there you can see that the last column is enabled with some formula. So let me show you how to remove this formula from this Excel sheet. For that, just select these cells and right click on it, click on copy. Now it's copied. Now again right click on it, click on paste special, and here under paste you can see values. Just select and click OK. Now you can see that formula is removed from this Excel sheet and the values are remain there. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.